Okay, so we here in the car. There's Nick over there eating his. I'll eat mine. Woo! Here we go. Let's see. Packaging's dope. I mean, the brand is on point here. I really like what they're doing. It's super plain. Genos is got the orange and black, and Pat's got the red and white. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that, folks! Look at the cheesiness. Oh, so cheesy. How's that look, man? This is how Nick's look. Nice. So let's get in there. It's like just chopped meat. It's not. It's like sliced. I just got a cheese facial. See that? That's cheesy. That's a lot of food. It's a big cheesesteak. What do you think about that one?
It's really fucking good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. This is really good too. They know how to do it right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're gonna switch up now. I had cheesesteaks in Toronto. Sorry guys. We got a lot of work to do. That one right there is delicious. So I'm gonna go in here. The similar style, it's like sliced steak. So,
I know my winner.
The onions on this is nice. The cheese is nice too. The difference is Pat's, they just drip their cheese all over it. Genos puts their cheese on the bottom. And Genos is more meaty. Maybe it's the same meat, but the onions are so nice on this one. I really like the onions a lot. The flavor is good too. I don't know if it's, well, maybe there's a distinct winner here. Regardless, both of them are winning. They've been open since the 30s. You can't be a loser if you've been open for freaking 98 years.
No, Genos is the 60s, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, he's a historian over here. But still, that's crazy to be open that long. Not shut down. Depressions, recessions, COVID, all that stuff. And they're still banging out these cheesesteaks, the same style they've been doing it for that time. So, which one you like best? I think the bread.
On count of three, you want to say it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, Genos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Genos is distinct.
Not by much, but
It's distinct with the onions, and I don't know, it's a little bit better. But honestly, both of them, they're both winners. All right, on to the next one. We gotta go. See you in Jersey.